One of the greatest thing about playing guitar is, of course, playing solo/improvising. So today I'm gonna show you how I teach my students to play solo, even though they haven't been playing solo before. And we're gonna use the chords from the song we made in the previous video, so we can kind of make an arrangement, so with melody and then solo. So in total there are 12 different notes, and 7 of them fits perfectly and 5 of them fits less perfect. If you find a note that you don't think fits at all, then the note before or after fits perfect. So at least every other note sounds very good. So we're gonna be using the thin E string, the bottom string. Basically we're gonna listen and then just play solo. Play long notes, because if you play too fast, it simply makes it so difficult for you to actually listen to the notes and figure out which notes you like. And playing solo is all about playing notes that you like. So you need to do it very slowly so you can figure out which notes you like. Play slowly and long notes and repeat your notes.
Okay.
And then try to, if you are on the 3rd fret, don't jump more than 2 frets up or down. So either you can go up to 5 or down to 1.
Okay.
Just in the beginning. Yes. Do you like this note?
Yeah, I like it.
Yes. And when you play a really bad note that you don't like, then play it again, because then you will learn to not be afraid of playing a bad note. Slowly. What I like in a solo is maybe that we don't move that much around. So the next step, I think it's a really good step to take, is trying to find 3 spots at the guitar, 3 notes that you really like the sound of. So find 3 notes that you really like better than the other ones.
Okay.
And he needs to try all 12 notes.
I think I have this one.
Yes, 12, 7, and 5. Okay, so now we're gonna focusing on trying to make a story in the solo playing. His solo will evolve around these 5th fret, 7th fret, and 12th fret. So when I say 5, 7, or 12, then he needs to like kind of build his solo around these notes. And again, the rule is he can only go 2 half steps up or down from these notes. So when he's on 5, he has to also end his phrases on 5. And when he is on 7 and 12. And we start on 12.
All right.
5. 5. 'Yeah. And Sims is using the notes that he don't like that much, and he is trying to incorporate them, which just expand his language, and that's nice. Seven. 12. And remember to repeat your notes, just like Simpson does. 7. 7. 'Very good. So this approach is something that I think everybody can do. Sometimes it takes longer and sometimes people are just very good. But a very important point is to, when you play a note that you don't think sounds that good, then explore it, because all 12 notes is good. You just need to learn the sound of it. You can play with your friends and you can also play along with your favorite music. This was how I learned to play solo, and for me it's an incredible way to learn from the masters. And simply what you do is sit down, explore which notes you think sounds good on the bottom E string, and play the notes you think sounds good. And after figuring out which note sounds good, then choose 3 notes and base your solo playing around these 3 notes. Remember that you can repeat, and remember that it's about that you like it. So don't try to do 100 things at the same time. Just do something that you can actually manage to listen to. It's better to do something simple that sounds cool instead of something very advanced that just sounds like you're trying to do something that you don't are able to do.
Play with your friends and play with your enemies.
This is not a cheat way. I would actually say that even for pro musicians, doing it this way is a really big help, because you get the physics right. Sometimes when you play, like, it sounds like a very small step, but doing like this, it just gets the right feel, because we have to move our fingers the right distance. So try to play some solo. Everybody can play solo. You can play solo with your friends, your families, or your coworkers, or strangers that you meet on the street. It's all about trying and figuring out what feels right for you. So go ahead and play some solo. If you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up button and remember to
subscribe.
That would make me very happy. Enjoy.
guys. There's something in this video that we're not gonna say because it's too advanced for you guys.